Hey Ethan, who's got the new toys? Let's see what you can do.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Yay!
It's a great big colourful world out there. Everything's got a colour that it can wear. You see red and orange and green and blue. There's yellow, pink and purple too. You'll find different shades wherever you go. In this colourful world I know.
Is that good, Baba?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Join with me and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yes, it's 10. 1, 2, 10.
Yay! Mwah! Mwah! Puppy dog says, I love you! Mwah!
Hug me.
Oh, hug me. There you go. One more song.
Oh, I got 2 arms and I got 2 hands. I got 2 legs that help me stand. I got a nose upon my face and a mouth with a tongue to taste. Oh, I got 2 ears so I can hear. I got 2 eyes so I can see. I've got ears and eyes and I feel so wise when you smile at me.
Yay! Mwah! Good, Baba. You like your teddy, don't you? Say thank you, cousin. Mwah!
I love you.
Yay!